If your Seedance 2.0 videos still look like this, you're leaving quality on the table. While some tools like Kling already support 4K output, Seedance 2.0 still has resolution limits. Your videos may already look good, but there's still room to push clarity, sharpness, and detail even further. In this video, I'll show you how to get 4K Seedance 2.0 video using HitPaw VikPea. Now let's dive in. First, we need to generate a Seedance 2.0 video. Click the download link in the description to install HitPaw VikPea and make sure you're using the latest version. Once installed, open the software and go to AI Video Generator. Select the Seedance 2.0 model, then enter your prompt. As you can see, we can only choose between 480p and 720p resolution here. But don't worry, just set it to 720p and generate your video. Once it's finished, download the result. Next, go back to the home page and click Video Enhancer. Import your generated video, then choose the AI generative model. Set the export resolution to 4K, click Export, and you'll get a clean, detailed 4K version of your AI generated video. With this simple workflow, you can get crisp 4K Seedance 2.0 videos in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll keep sharing more quick and easy video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.